For Lab 1, you'll be using different methods to measure dry and wet ingredients. If you are measuring flour, the first method is called the dip method. To start, you will tare your scale with your half cup measuring cup and then take your cup, dip it in your flour, take out a heaping scoop, which means your top should be rounded. Level off your top with the flat edge of your knife. Make sure it's nice and smooth on top. Place it back on your scale and adjust your scale to find its weight. The next flour method is called the spooning method. Take your spoon, stir in your flour that's in your bag or in a bowl, and take your half cup measuring cup that's already been tared and spoon your flour into your measuring cup over the wax paper to reduce a mess. Once you have enough, take your knife using the flat edge once again to level off your flour. Place it back on the scale and adjust it to find the weight of your flour using the spoon method. The last flour method is called the sifted method. You will measure out your half cup of flour, pour it into a small sifter over your wax paper, and gently hit the side until all of your flour sifts off to your wax paper. Once all the flour is on your wax paper, you will then spoon the flour into the half cup measuring cup and weigh it using your scale. Now that you've spooned all the flour into your half cup measuring cup that you can, level it off with the flat edge of your knife. Place it on the scale and adjust your scale once again. To measure liquid ingredients for Lab 1, you will need to select a liquid measuring cup and tare your scale. While it's empty, set it to 0, then add a half a cup of water into the measuring cup, looking at the side, making sure that it is exactly a half a cup. Place that half a cup onto your tared scale and adjust the scale to find its weight. Now you will repeat these steps and measure your water using dry measuring cups. Tare the scale to 0 with the empty measuring cup. Pour the measuring cup full with a half a cup of water. Place it on your scale and adjust the scale to find its weight. Now you will repeat each of these steps using oil.